So now I am going to show you what is the fast forward merge. Okay, what is mean the fast forward merge means, if you are creating, if you want to try to check out the working of any project, it is better to create the branches and then you have to work out on the branch. If it's working, then you have to match to your master copy which is given to you. So I will show you on it directly. Directly means if you assume it in the project also, the same thing, whatever the project you create, it will be available in the file and the folder itself. So assume this is a file, assume the same ex3 as the project. So presently what are the versions available? Only version 1 is available. So I am creating the branch for this version 1 with space branch name is a syntax. So I am giving the branches branch 1. So now the branch is created. If you want to see how many branches were there, you can type with space branch. So it is showing you BR1 and master. Presently we are at master. So to work on the branches, you have to go to the branch. So the command is git checkout. We want to move to the branch 1. So we check out branch 1. The same switch to branch BR1. Now I am opening the file which is already clear, which is already present in that. So I am modifying, assume that I am modifying some code. Okay, don't think I am writing a sentence. So I am adding some extra features. So if it is working, if you want to keep versions and branches also, it is possible. So if you want to add some if you have tested one feature, keep the commit as version 1 and write the functionality for next functionality and commit the version 2. Similarly, if you want to create a number of versions, you can create. After that, if your work is completed, you have to merge your code to a master copy which is given. So that master repository you have to again pull to your team lead. Okay. So in the next videos I am going to show you how to save the master repository, how to download the same project to your Eclipse IDE, and how to add the extra features and how to upload it to the master repository from where you have downloaded. Okay. So presently I want to add this file. So I am writing the command git add f1.txt and I am writing the commit as branch version 1. Okay. Branch version 1 as a commit message. See, presently we are at branch 1. So to copy this code into the master, you have to check out to the master and then you have to merge the branch 1. Okay. So I am checking out to the master. You check out master and now you have to merge the branch 1. So it is saying fast forward merge. Okay. So just now we have merged it. So presently where we are? And master. What is the code which is written in master? It's V1 code. So after merging, if you open the notepad, you will see the code which is written in the branch 1. See, presently we are at the master itself, but we are able to see the code which is written in the branch 1. Okay, we have merged the branches. This is called the fast forward merge. If you are not modifying anything on the branch after creation of branch, that is called the fast forward merge. If you are modifying any content after creation of branches, and if you commit anything while working on the branches on the master, that is called the three-way merge. Okay, that's it. In the next videos I am going to show you how to fork the repository and how to pull request it